Ayan, hi guys! Hello mga ka-easy, kamusta po kayo? Ayan, kung makikita niyo po, ang gagawin ko po ngayon ay mag-a-apply po ako ng monetization sa YouTube. Ayan, kung nakikita niyo po na reach ko na po yung requirements po ni YouTube na 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hours. So ayan guys, tara samahan niyo ako, simulan natin. So first, ayan, punta muna tayo sa Google Chrome. Type natin youtube.com. Ayan, tapos niyan, punta po tayo sa mismo ating logo. Click po natin siya. Then punta po tayo sa YouTube Studio. Ayan, dito na po tayo sa YouTube Studio. Ayan, on the left corner, meron pong dashboard, videos, playlist, analytics, comments, subtitles, monetization, audio library. So dito po tayo sa monetization. Ayan, dito na po tayo. Then click nyo lang po apply now. Ayan. Channel monetization. Step 1. Review partner program terms. Read and agree to the YouTube partner program terms. This is the agreement that makes it possible for you to earn money. Yan, so meron po siyang 3 step. So dito muna po tayo sa step 1. Ayan, review YouTube partner program terms. Understand the terms. Ayan po, babasahin lang po yan. Basahin nyo lang po siya. Kung ano po yung nakasulat dyan. These terms are specific to your home country or territory. Oman. Ayan po, dahil po ngayon po kayo nasa Oman. So, yan po ang aking maging address. Ayan po, babasahin nyo lang po siya. Revenues. YouTube will pay you 55% of net revenues recognized YouTube from ads display or streamed by YouTube or an authorized third party. Ayun, 55% daw. Then, pag nabasa nyo na po siya lahat, I accept the YouTube Partner Program terms. Then, accept terms. Ayan. Hintayin lang po natin. Ayan, done na po siya. You're on your way to becoming a YouTube partner. You have accepted the YouTube Partner Program terms. Ayan, next naman po sa step 2 po tayo. Sign up for Google Adsense. Create a new Adsense account or correct an existing one to your channel. You need an Adsense account to monetize and get paid. Ayan, wala pa po akong Google Adsense, so start na natin. You will be redirected to Adsense to complete this step. You need an Adsense account to start monetizing and get paid. Ayan, select lang po natin. I don't have an existing account. Yan, wala pa po kasi ako. So, on the screen, choose the Google account you want to create an Adsense account with you. You will be redirected to Adsense to create the new account. Once you are done, you will be directed back to YouTube. Ayan, continue lang po natin. Wala pa po kasi akong Adsense. So, ayan, choose an account. So, choose ko itong, ayan, yung ECJ syempre. So, ayan, papasok ko siya sa Google Adsense. So, ayan, nasa loob na po tayong Google Adsense. Skip na po natin your website. Get more out of Adsense. Yes, send me a customized help and performance suggestions. No, don't send me customized help and performance suggestions. You can choose the no or yes. I choose no. Select your country or territory. So dahil po nasa Oman ako, pipiliin ko yung Oman. Ayan. Please review and accept our terms and conditions. Ayan. I-accept nyo lang po yan. Pero bago po yun, basahin nyo po na po siya lahat. Ayan, dyan po yan. Haba. So yes, I have read and accept the agreement. Then create an account. So ayan, ads made easy. We do the work so you don't have to. Automated ads on your site across all devices. Ayan, dyan na tayo. Tingnan natin araw, yung next. Okay, get started na tayo. Ayan, sa payment address details na po tayo. To make sure you get paid, please provide your address. We need this to send you important information about your account. Ayan. Payment profile. Choose the payment profile that will be associated with this account of transaction. Payments profile is shared and used across all Google products. Account type, yes, individual po. Address line, yan, ECJPH. Lagyan nyo lang siya ng full name nyo. Address line ko. Postal code. Address line po is optional. City. Phone number optional din po, pero mas maganda kung ilalagay niyo po siya para matawagan kayo kung andyan na po yung papadala nilang code. Yung submit nyo lang po. Tayo lang po natin. Ayan, in progress na po siya. Your Adsense account is being created or associated. The approval and association process can take up to several days. So, hintay na lang po tayo na ma-process po siya at ma-verify. So, after po niyan, automatic na po siyang, sorry guys, after po niyan, automatic na po siyang pupunta sa step 3. Ayan, get reviewed. So, maghihintay lang po tayo ng 2 to 3 days. Yung iba po nakuha po ng mas maaga. May 1 day lang po. Meron nga pong oras lang. At yung iba tumatagal po talaga 2 to 3 days. So, wait na lang natin. So, mga ka-easy, yung mga nanonood sa akin ngayon, mag-a-apply din kayo for monetization. Good luck and best of luck. Huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe. Thank you so much, mga ka-easy.